Okay, so let's continue on here. Again, you can see lots of snow here on the north side of the grade. We're gonna see how this video turns out. We have to, and what we're gonna see up ahead, because we're gonna get into some big rock cuts, and we're gonna see if there's ice in there. You might have to come back and reshoot this, and again, depending on what's happening with the light here. Oh, partridge. It's not too bad now, but I might have to come back. Now this isn't terrible. This is a short drive from my house. I think it's about 17 kilometers or something. We do have something coming up here. I think this is this. There's a stone culvert. I wonder if this is it here. Up here somewhere. Well, maybe it's not the stone culvert. There was something under here. You can basically see there's like a little swale. So you can see the remnants of a culvert here. Maybe it was some sort of small stone culvert. There is one up ahead. Again, I haven't been through this area in 4 years, so I don't quite remember where everything is. See some of the stones deposited, the rocks here deposited on the side of the grade. Try to keep my head down a little bit because it is the afternoon. Oh, here's neat. Check out that little stone wall here. So it's on the other side of this barbed wire fence, so it may have been somebody's property, some farm or something like that, and they put in that wall as kind of a little bit of a break or divide. Probably farmers working in the fields and digging up all the stones and then sort of dumping them over here. You can also see some stones on this side. So here's a few vestiges of winter. So you can see there's some ice still here. We're going to be very careful because I do not need to wipe out. Okay, I think that culvert I was talking about is coming up over here. Very nice. You can see how beautiful area it is here with all the conifers. Kind of nice little opening here underneath the trees. Obviously it wouldn't look like this when the railway line was running. You see some ties in here. I'm guessing these are not from the period. Not sure where those would have come from. I know they soaked them in creosote, but I doubt these ties would survive 100 years. Okay, is this where this culvert is? The sun's starting to pop up again, and so we can get in a little bit of shadow, a little bit of light in between the trees. Right here. So this is where this culvert is. So let's go take a look here on the south side. So this is very neat. This is obviously original construction here. I'll take my helmet off. You can see it a little bit better. Dog's got to get in there like a dirty shirt, right? So really neat. Probably using a lot of the native stone from the area and creating this opening. And I can see, yeah, come here, get out of there. I can see through to the other side, so she's still working, right? So really neat relic of the railway. So let's jump to the other side. All right. Okay, so we're over here on the north side. You can, Lena, come here. Dog's got to stick her butt right in the shot. So you can see that it's a lot more plugged up with debris and stuff. Again, water's still flowing through here, I'm guessing. And you know, in sort of the inflow side, you're going to get debris and stuff that's going to accumulate over time. But again, you can see the age of the stone. You can see how it's all full of moss and you know, all greened with age and things like that. So again, really neat to see. Okay, so let's jump back up on the grade here and continue working our way west.